Stop manually adding your customers to your board as members. Do this instead. If you ever added someone as a member to your Trello board, you already know the frustration. You have to manually send them an email to invite them. And once they join the board, if they forget to make their own copy, they can change everything. We don't want that. We're trying to automate our business, not create more work for ourselves. But here's something most people don't realize. If you're using the free or standard Trello plan, you can't create a true template link to sell. The solution, guys, go premium. Now let's dive into it. First thing first, we're going to go to Trello.com. Okay, and we're going to click login. Okay, I already have my information saved right here, but you can just enter your email or log in whatever way you have it set up. Okay, now we're going to go to the template board, not our actual board. It will say template on it. Let's go to the template. And again, verify that it does say template right here. Okay, now in between the template and the board, we have the visibility settings. See right here, it says change visibility. We want to change that to public. It's going to verify that that's what you want to do. That's the action that you want to take. We're going to click yes, make board public. Now we're going to scroll over here to the right and there's share button. We're going to click on that. Ignore this box that asks for your email address or name. We want to scroll down to right here, this little link. Share this board with a link. This is the true shareable template link for reselling. If you're not a premium user, your box will say anyone with the link can join as a member, which is not what we want if we want to sell these as templates. Now let's go ahead and click create link. Now you can copy link copy to clipboard. It will verify there. Now you can sell or share your Trello template for users to copy as their own. Now that you have your shareable link, it's time to package it inside a Canva template so it looks professional and polished for your customers. I will show you exactly how to do that in the next video, so make sure you watch that next. I've linked the video in the description below. Found this video helpful? It would mean a lot if you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.